Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions and Credit Fix Lawyers. I don't often bring up our law firm Credit Fix Lawyers in our case studies, but this particular case was run through our law firm, Credit Fix Lawyers. Completely no win, no fee. So if we can't get a result, you don't pay anything. There's nothing paid upfront. We don't do hourly rates, so then it's 30 hours worth of work and you need to pay us 3 times more what we've originally quoted. We know how many hours goes into a court action removal through our law firm, so we just set it at a standard fee per matter that we're working on. Now, this particular client, client ID 7414, he had a court action on his personal file and then a court action on the company file and a default on his company file. We managed to remove all three, and he was completely unable to move with finance with all of that against his name. So fantastic result, and quote unquote from the client, you guys did an outstanding job. So there you go. Great start and great news for the new year. Wishing you a great 2025 ahead, and thanks for listening.